We're going to be doing a review today on mac and cheese. It's going to be from Sam's Club. $8.31, which is $3.24 per pound. Looks like this is definitely, good serving. It says 30 to 40 minutes in the oven, temperature 375. Put tin foil over the top of this thing. It said between 30 and 40 minutes, so let's check it in 30 minutes. That seems to be enough time to get that nice and warm. Now, if it's not, I'll let you know. Okay, we'll be back. See you in a minute. I pulled it out at 35 minutes. I'll go right in the middle. Smells good. Move that around in there, mix that up. The cheese and stuff. Ooh, yum, yum. This is definitely long enough. So 35 minutes, for us at least, seems to be just fine. So we brought in the mac and cheese queen to try this out. You bought this.
I did.
At Sam's Club.
Yeah, because my friend said that she likes Sam's Club more than Costco's.
Oh, I'm not a big mac and cheese guy. I don't eat a lot of that. That tastes great. What do you think, hon?
This is gonna be weird, but I have a cold and I really can't taste it.
Oh.
Whatever I can taste, it tastes good.
It's good.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Like,
I can't remember.
Like, I'm giving big thumbs up. It's better than I thought it was gonna be. It's definitely creamier, it's cheesier. It's not hard, the noodles are soft.
Cheesy. Yeah.
I'm a fan. I would absolutely, you're cheesy. Yeah, you're funny. I would absolutely get this again.
It's good.
Wow, did not expect that. I am impressed. Okay.
And it was not expensive either.
Good job, Sam's Club. Okay, hey, thanks for, remember to like, share, and all those other fun things. We appreciate it. Subscribe, oh, that's important. Our little channel's growing, it's doing awesome. So thank you all those folks out there that are watching it and enjoying our videos.